Hi, okay, so I just have a little update for now. I got a mess going on. I'm trying to sell off some of my parts that I won't use, right, to make some money back. So, like the 5-lug rear trailing arms. I got somebody trying to buy those. This and that, this LSD. Some local fellow wants to buy. I need to replace this third gear. So I need to find those. But right now, what I'm gonna do, I decided I'm running out of money, but I don't want to take the transmission, put it on and take it off. The reason why I might have to do that, or I could have to do that, is if I just threw it on right now, because I want the LSD in there, which I already bought the LSD, and I want the front-wheel drive to all-wheel drive kit from Speed Factory, which will allow me to put that gear set, which I got to fix, into that transmission. So what I'm going to do, and also when you buy that kit, Speed Factory has you send them your first, second shift fork from your all-wheel drive transmission. It's really hard to point. And they reinforce it, because otherwise it bends really easily, something like that. So I got to take it apart to get the shift fork, send it to them, and buy the kit or whatever. And at the same time, I'm going to be buying some third gears from somewhere on the internet. And then once they send me that, then I can I'll have the LSD by then. I can slap it into the transmission and the gear set, which I'm not super skilled with that stuff yet, but I will do it. Then I can put the transmission on just once until I break it. And then I'll take it off and put it on again. So that's where I'm at. And same for these have messed up ball joints, or one of them, with the boots all split and stuff. And I want to, they have these roll center, I explained it, I think, correction ball joints. K-Tune sells them and a bunch of other companies, but I think I'm going to go with K-Tune, so I'm probably going to buy those too. Because once this is all together, I'm going to need an alignment. And I can't have this thing together for more than 500 miles without taking it apart and needing another alignment. Alright, I'm going to start working on that tranny stuff. There she is. Just seeing if this plate was gonna work. This is from the front wheel drive. Seems like it'll work. Okay, I actually don't know. I know that there's some things different about opening this transmission compared to a front wheel drive. There's a bolt right here, which I feel like needs to be removed, but I don't know. I'm probably going to, I remember seeing a SP Tuning take apart one of these transmissions, and it looked like a pretty decent guide. So I'm probably going to search that up real quick, just so I don't have to fight anything. Man, I'm so bummed out. I had that video going, and I don't know, I tried to screen record while I was thinking I was recording, and I called Travis, and he did the first start on his car, which I thought I captured. And he was trying to solve a low oil pressure issue, which he showed. Yep, he had 90 PSI oil pressure startup. And at the same time, I'm over here messing with my tranny. It was it was nice. I got the case half off. Wasn't too hard. That bolt on the inside on the bell housing, you do have to remove it, and it is the same length as all of the bolts that go around here, although there is one bolt which is longer, and if you ever do this, then it's obvious which is one is longer. I removed this shift change thing, and I removed this Allen head thing, and I moved this also, but I don't think I needed to. It was another Allen head. And then in the front, whoop, right there, it's probably very difficult to figure out the orientation, but I removed that. little guy. Cute little guy. There's a little bit of rust up in there, but that's okay. Kind of looks like rust stuff. Yeah, hopefully I can get this back together. I kind of just pulled it apart. So there is my first, second shift fork, I believe. And I think this is third, fourth, and this is fifth reverse. And it looks like this bearing kind of came up when I was removing the case half, but that's fine. I mean, I really just need to put the GSR gear set in here, but what I'm trying to say is hopefully I don't get it all mixed up. I'm kind of afraid to like yank this out right now and have it never return. There's a bunch of oil in here I was trying to sop up with this magnet. The magnet looks alright, you know, it's doing its job. Magnety things. So, anyways, I think that there's this guy who was messaging me. He wanted to trade stuff. I posted an ad. He wanted to trade this and this and this for an in-factory diff, a D-series diff for the rear of the bike van. It goes into the bike van diff, but so anyways, I'm gonna try to make a deal with him, maybe. Yeah, I'll let you know. I'm gonna pull this out. You can watch. Don't know where I'm gonna set it. I hate that this is called a shift fork and this is called a shift fork. Why? Why would they do that? I have to remove the reverse idler right here before I can pull anything up. This is like my third time or second time opening a transmission. Get the hell out of there. Okay. Reverse idler bracket thing. I think I have to remove, you can't see, but there. I think I have to remove the gear set before I can remove the reverse idler gear. Wiggle the shit out of it, basically. And it came out. There's a gear set. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Just, you know, to make me feel better about not forgetting. There is that. So I think the only thing I might be reusing from this is like the fifth gear, maybe, which is what, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, that. Anyways, there's that. I'll learn more. Here's the diff, open diff. Oh gosh. There is where it lived. Oh, there's the transfer case gear that needs to do a lot of work for me so I could do donuts. That's the first thing I'm gonna do too, once I know that my setup is reliable, is donuts. Oh, this is different, of course, than the front wheel drive, because here's the gear for the transfer case. And this is the gear for the Speedo. And like I said, it has needle bearings. But this guy is probably not really worth anything. I'm gonna have to take off the ring gear to put on the Gear X LSD that is coming. Look at that. Carcinogens. So, yep, just gotta take off the right shift fork and quit being a girl about this. Who's excited for like the first date? I'm just so excited. What's that? Cannot wait. I just want to slather myself in all this. That's how excited I am. Okay, I got my shift fork. And I think I decided, you know, I'm being very impatient with this whole thing, kinda. But I think I decided I'm gonna be patient enough to at least have myself an LSD in the Lagavan diff. So I was thinking about taking it apart, but no, I'm not gonna take it apart. No. Anyways, that's it for now, I guess. I'm waiting for parts. I'm waiting for Hub City Performance to send me the 5-lug trailing arm set and different. There's so many things going on in my Honda world right now. See you guys next time.